Good day learners, welcome to the world of OpenStreetMap. Do you know about OpenStreetMap, how to use it, how to edit this, how to add your business location in OpenStreetMap as a live map? If not, then don't worry, this course is for you. This course will make you zero to hero in OpenStreetMap. In this course, we will learn how to use OpenStreetMap, how to create OpenStreetMap account with attractive OSM mapper profile, how to edit OpenStreetMap easily, quickly, and more accurately by using many shortcut methods and tricks. We will learn how to edit OSM with ID, how to edit OSM by using Portlets 2. Say, this is the interface of Portlets 2, which provides us many dynamic tools to edit our OSM. Not only that, we will learn also how to download OpenStreetMap file as a shapefile, so that we can use this in our GIS project also. We will learn use of OpenStreetMap in our QGIS software. Yes, we will learn also QGIS with OpenStreetMap. So, if you want to learn all of this to make yourself zero to hero in OSM, QGIS and Portlets 2, then this course is for you. Enroll in this course, enjoy the field of OpenStreetMap, enjoy web mapping. Thanks for watching. Now let's start our course.